Jochung' weche mag wuoth e kaunti ma Kwale okwa mondo Tuku Tuk matiyo gi sitima e neno ni girito ler mar alwora. Wachore ni oseyaw kar loso tuk mag sitima e alwora ma Diani e neno ni kwan mar jok matiyo kode omedore kendo chiro omedore ne joket mwandu. Nyaka sani thoth tuk matiyo kod mauta wachore ni kelo koko mathoth e alwora.
So comes to this side. We've got 25 in the first section, but we look forward to getting about another batch that will be building up to around 400 tuk-tuks that will be operating within the Kwale County. And the whole intention is to create employment to our youth and also to make sure that we keep the environmental safe.
Sasa hivi nimeendesha hii tukutuku ya stima, naiona iko vizuri zaidi. Pia imesave kwenye upande wa economic kwa sababu ukilinganisha mafuta kuna muda yanapanda sana.
Tuk-tuks have been historically known for being noisy, sometimes a bit inconvenient, but these electric tuk-tuks are the solution that we need from today moving forward, and we are excited that Sunny Tuk-tuk becomes the pioneer for Kwale County.
Tumefanya modification ya kutosha kwamba mtu anaweza charge hata nyumbani kwake, si kama ile unaenda kwa station, unaenda kuna swap bet, no. Hii sasa utakuwa unacharge nyumbani, kuna fast charge na slow charge.